Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Dragon Age The Veilguard is stuck on loading screen. I will show you guys the very effective solution to fix this problem. So first open up the Steam, then just click on the Dragon Age The Veilguard game. So once you click on that, you will see the gear icon. Just click on the gear icon, you will see the properties. Just go to your game properties. Now here you will see the launch option. Now here in the launch option, just type minus DX11. Guys, once you type minus DX11, now launch the game, check problem is 6 or not. If you are still getting the error, then just type here minus DX12 and then check if your game is still stuck on loading screen. And if yes, then just uncheck the box of Steam overlay while in game you are seeing on the top. Once you uncheck it, then launch the game, then check problem is 6 or not. If your game is still stuck, then go to the update and just update your game as patches may fix these kind of problems. If your problem is still not fixed, then just go to the install file, then click on the verify integrate your game files. It will take some time, so just wait for it, then simply restart the PC, then launch the game, then check. If your game is still stuck on the loading screen, then just click on the browse option you are seeing on the top. Guys, here simply locate your game launcher or exe file of your game. So make a right click on the Dragon Age, then just go to the properties, go to the compatibility tab. Now here just uncheck this box, also uncheck this box, then just check the box of administrator. Now click on the apply, now launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. If your problem is not fixed, then just check the box of disable full screen optimization. Now click on the apply, now launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. If not, then just check the box of compatibility mode, choose here the Windows 8. Now just click on apply, launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. Guys, if you're getting the error or if your game is still stuck, then just update graphic drivers. Outdated or corrupted graphic drivers are a common cause of game launch issues. Here how to update. Now for NVIDIA, use GeForce Experience to download the latest drivers. AMD use Radeon software for update. Alternatively, visit the official NVIDIA or AMD website for updates and search for GPU model and manually download. Once you update your graphic drivers, then simply restart the PC, then launch the game, then check. If you are still getting the error and if your game is still stuck, then simply update your Windows, then simply restart the PC, then launch the game, then check. And I hope guys one of the solution fixes your problem. And if yes, please like this video and bye bye and take care.